How you doing? It's Mike with the Barbecue Depot today. Today we're going to go over how to install a burner in a DCS grill. So this is the DCS grill we're going to work on. It's a 30-inch grill. You see that it has a bad burner. So to access the burner, what you're going to need to do is take your cooking grid out. Then you take your little ceramic rod out tray. And that will give you access to the burner area. So what you want to do is you find your burners you want to replace. You want to pull up from the back, pull out, and remove the burner. We're going to be installing our aftermarket DCS U1 burner, stainless new burner. So the one thing you got to make sure it has tabs in the back, and then there's a little tab thing here inside the grill. So you want to make sure that the tabs on the end of the burner go inside the grill. So the first thing you want to do with the burner is you want to put it in here and you want to slide it in close to where it goes over the orifice. So once you get it over the orifice and you slide it in, you'll be able to push it down and make sure it's secure in the tabs in the back. That's pretty much how easy it is to change a burner on the DCS grill. So if you have any questions or need any parts for any DCS or any model grills you have, you can go to thebarbecuedepot.com, or you can call us toll free at 877-983-0451. Thank you.